Hello viewers, you are welcome to yet another section with Pythagoras Theorem, your favorite online mouse tutor, coming to you live on Teach Connect. Today we shall be continuing and concluding the concept of the Pythagoras Theorem. Yes, mathematics is not rote. When I say rote, memorization without proper understanding. I am here to make you understand better how the Pythagoras Theorem was obtained in just a minute or even less than that. So stay tuned and explore this method. In 1876, President J. A. Cafield compounded a theory in proving the Pythagoras Theorem. Oh, of course, it's very simple. Now, in that proof, he made notice of two main triangles and an imaginary triangle. So don't forget I said two main triangles, and those two main triangles must have the same dimensions. Dimensions mean sides, and when I say the same dimensions, the same sides and also the same angles to measure. So on your screen I have indicated those two congruent triangles for you to notice. Now, those two equal triangles. Yes, so we can see that the hypotenuse is C of both, of course, is C. The adjacent is B, and the opposite is, of course, E. So we have arrange them in such a way that the tip or the vertex, one of the vertices touch each other apart from the right angle side. So I said the triangle has three angles. So we are going to choose any angle apart from the right angle side to touch each other. So we are using the sides which are indicated on the screen. So when they touch each other at that tip, let's notice this. Can't you notice that there is, of course, an imaginary line that can be drawn on the tip of the other vertices? So you see that triangle A, that tip, and triangle B, the remaining tip, can link up to form an imaginary triangle. Don't forget, an imaginary triangle. Yes. So the imaginary triangle has its opposite as C and its adjacent as C, because they are formed by the hypotenuses of the other triangles. So we can notice something here. These two triangles and the imaginary triangle have formed a trapezium. A trapezium. So if that's the case, then we have to say that the area of the trapezoid is equal to adding the area of triangle A, triangle B, and the imaginary triangle. How do you get the area of a trapezoid? It's very simple. It's half the sum of the bases. You know that the bases is made up of two lengths. That is why I'm indicating half the sum of the bases. Under normal circumstances, it's supposed to be half base. Because the area of a trapezoid is half the base times the parallel sides. And the parallel sides must be added in a bracket before multiplying it by half times the base. So it will give us half base times the sum of the parallel sides. We have to also identify the area of a triangle, which is half the base times the height. If this is my right angled triangle, the base is the lower surface at the down, and the height is how tall it is. Don't forget, we are doing everything in reference to the right angle. You see the right angle at the corner tells us that the line at the down is its base because it's standing underneath it or below the right angle, and the height is showing how tall the triangle is. So half is the base of triangle A times the height of triangle A plus half the base of triangle B times the height of triangle B plus half the base of the imaginary triangle and the height of the imaginary triangle. When you add them all up, you should get the area of the trapezoid. Don't forget, we are doing this because we stated earlier that the area of the trapezoid is the same as adding up the area of the 3 right angles. So when we do that clearly and we simplify, you realize that we are going to get a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. And of course, a is showing as either the opposite or the adjacent. B can also be the opposite or the adjacent. Don't forget that in our past section, we looked at how to identify the adjacent and the opposite. So don't forget to refer to that section for better understanding here. And the hypotenuse is always going to be your longest side, which is c squared. It has been a very interesting section with you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Of course, like the video, hit the notification bell, give your comment, and share the video so that you can get more of our experiences, more of our videos, and more of our tutorials. It's been Michael Blair hosting you live on Teach Connect. Bye bye.